Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm sure you know it is possible to work with fractions mentally and reduce the time you spend in answering your questions, whether in exam or even yourself you're trying to learn to increase your speed of solving problems. Alright, so that's what we are trying to see in this video. Alright, so here it says working with fractions mentally. Work out these additions mentally. That is, do not use calculator or even try solving it. Just do it in your mind and then produce a result. Alright, so however, I'm going to be showing you how to do that with this example. So what are we expected to do? We have 1 over 12 plus 1 over 6. Okay, so this particular approach of solving fractions, whether addition or subtraction or any other operation of fractions, mentally deals or uses the method of estimation of fractions. And how does that work? Here the denominator is 12 and the denominator of the second fraction is 6. So instead of going to take LCM, which is the normal thing you should do, all you should do is to estimate the second fraction into another fraction that will have the same denominator as the first one and yet will not change the value. So how do I do that? I will look for a number that will multiply the denominator and will give me this other one, and that number is 2. And in order to balance the equation or to balance the value I'm giving, I will use that 2 to multiply the denominator of this one. However, I will also multiply the numerator. In that way, I have balanced the fraction. So I can as well cancel out my 2 and I'll still get back my 1 over 6. So I've not changed anything. So see what that would do for you. You are then going to have 1 over 12 plus this will now become, if you do a straight across multiplication here, you will get 2 over 12. Okay, so and immediately you are then going to have that, of course, once the denominators of 2 or more fractions that you're adding is the same, all you need to do is pick one of the denominators and sum their numerators. And so this is going to give you 1 plus 2 is 3 all over, pick one of these, which is 12. And then you can reduce this to a simpler form if you care, and that's going to give you 1 over 4. I will divide 3 by 3, I will get 1. Divide 12 by 3, I will get 4. And that is the solution to this problem. Isn't that beautiful? Let's try that here. So of course, you always estimate the one with the lower denominator. So if I estimate this, I will need 3 to multiply this 5 to give me 15. So I will do it also for here. I will get 9 over 15 plus 1 over 15. And that is going to give me 9 plus 1 is 10 all over 15. I'll try to reduce to lowest term, which is going to be 5 can go here to give me 2, and 5 into 15 is 3. And that is your solution. If you understood what I just said now, you would do C for me. Alright, now why did I not say do D also? The reason is because D is a little bit different. And what's the difference there? Okay, so you are going to see that our D now, the lower denominator, which is 4, cannot easily be multiplied to give 10. So what do? You would then look for a higher number that 2 of them can go to, and then get a single value that will multiply 2 of them to go to that number, for individually, and then use it to multiply both their numerator and denominator. See what I'm trying to say? Here I can take 10 to 20, and I can as well take 4 to 20. So what I'm going to do, I will ask myself, what number would take 10 to 20? And that's 2. So I will use 2 to multiply 3, and that will give me 6 all over 20, plus then what number would take 4 to 20? That's 5. So I will use it to multiply 3, which will give me 15 all over 20 now. So I've achieved what I wanted. So when the denominators are different and one cannot easily go to the other, you then look for another number that you can take the both of them to. All right, and immediately you have achieved what you want. 6 plus 15 is 21, and that is all over 20. And you can reduce this to the lowest form, which will give us one whole number, 1 all over 20. That's in mixed fractional form. All right, and that is our solution. And here again, I have another exercise for you that looks like exercise D. All right, so kindly do this and then show me your result in the comment section. Kindly subscribe to this channel and put on the notification bell so that you get to know when next I post another video